friend. I am fine and I know that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. One day Aladdin was playing with his friends. Suddenly a strange looking man approached him and introduced himself as one of his distant relatives. Aladdin happily took him home. Actually, he was a magician who wanted to use Aladdin for getting a wonderful magical lamp. Next day, the magician took Aladdin to a stony areas. Reaching a cave, the magician uttered some magical word to open it. Then he gave Aladdin a ring and sent him into the cave to get the lamp. However, when Aladdin came out the lamp, the magician tried to snatch the lamp, leaving Aladdin all alone there. Aladdin refused to give him the lamp, so the magician left him in the cave. Meanwhile, Aladdin happened to rub the magician's ring. Suddenly, a genie appeared and helped Aladdin to get out from the cave. Aladdin reached home and told his mother about the magicians. While cleaning the lamp, she rubbed it and a genie appeared out of the lamp. The genie fulfilled all the wishes of Aladdin and his mother. Soon Aladdin became rich and got married to a beautiful princess. Being jealous of Aladdin's luck, the magician decided to get the magic lamp. Somehow he managed to steal the lamp and ordered the genie to kidnap the princess. When Aladdin came to know about the matter, he asked for the help of rings, genie and requested the princess. They planned to trick the magician into taking a poisonous drink that killed him instantly. Aladdin and his princess lived happily ever after. So dear friend, how made you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye, we will meet in